Honestly, must you lot be so clumsy? Get these dreadful pastries out of my sight. Make way, you insolent kimonos!
Did you hear that?
The absolute nerve!
La-de-da, la-de-da.
He's almost here. Are the nets ready?
Yeah, ready to snatch the fancy boy.
All right, let's move. Let go. Got him. Easy now.
We have your son. Don't contact the police.
We'll give you whatever you want, just don't harm a whisker on his head. He left it. It's ours. Go, move.
Welcome home, my boy. We are just so relieved you are safe.
This looks heavy. Allow me to help. It brings me joy to assist my friends.